Which NoSQL database type is best for specific use cases? Imagine building a system that needs to handle millions of data points quickly and efficiently. Picking the right NoSQL database can make or break your project. Let's explore how different types fit different needs. First up are key-value databases. These store data as pairs of unique keys and their associated values. They are super fast for reading and writing data because they just look up by key. They work great for caching, session management, or real-time recommendation engines. For example, storing user session tokens or shopping cart contents in an online store is perfect with key-value stores. But they have limited querying options beyond key lookups, so they're not ideal for complex searches. Next are document-oriented databases. These store data as flexible, JSON-like documents that can have nested fields and varied structures. They are perfect for applications that need to handle semi-structured data or evolving schemas. Think about content management systems, user profiles, or product catalogs. For example, a backend API managing user-generated content or product details that change often benefits from document databases. They allow complex queries on individual documents and adapt easily to new data fields. White column stores organize data into tables with rows and dynamic columns. They are designed for large-scale data and analytical queries. These databases excel when you need high write throughput and fast reads across big data sets. Use them for time series data, Internet of Things sensor data, or real-time analytics. For example, monitoring sensor outputs or logging events across multiple servers is a good fit here. They support horizontal scaling by adding more nodes, which helps handle growing data loads. Graph databases focus on relationships between data points. They representing data as nodes and edges, making complex relationship queries efficient. These are ideal for social networks, recommendation engines, or fraud detection. For example, suggesting friends or finding suspicious transaction patterns are tasks that benefit from graph databases. They excel at understanding connections and traversing relationships quickly. Multi-model databases combine different data models within one system. They support key-value, document, and graph data, giving flexibility for diverse data types. These are useful when your project needs varied data representations without switching databases. For example, a complex app might store user profiles as documents, relationships as graphs, and cache data as key-value pairs. This approach simplifies backend architecture and allows you to choose the best model for each task. Choosing the right NoSQL database depends on your data structure and how you plan to query it. For simple, fast lookups, key-value stores are perfect. When you need flexible data models, document databases shine. For large-scale analytics, white column stores are ideal. If relationships matter most, go with graph databases. Often, combining multiple types in one project can give you the best of all worlds, making your backend more efficient and easier to manage.